To add subitems to one of our items, simply hover over the collapsible arrow to the left of the item name, then click to expand this. The level of detail to include in subitems may depend on your personal workflow, or perhaps you might decide on conventions as a team. In this example, I might include subitems for thumbnail, scripting, and publishing. These are some milestones in the tutorial process that I may need to assign to others to help me out on, so it makes sense to have these as subitems. If you need to include even more detail than this, you can always use the Subitem Updates tab. And this works very similar to how it did for the Items Updates tab. I'll close this for now. By default, we can enter an owner, status, and date on each subitem. Until we fill out the team, I'll add myself on these subitems. For the status at the subitem level, we have stuck, working on it, done, and the default. So these are separate from the statuses that we customized at the item level above. These subitem statuses work for me, but you can always edit these labels just as we've done before. And then finally, you can enter a date. When we collapse our subitem list, we'll see the number of subitems indicated here at the item level. We have our count of our updates, and if we go ahead and open this and check off 2 items on our checklist, we can also see a small indicator showing us progress on that checklist. So we always have an idea of what's happening with any given item just at a glance.